Multiply using the distributive property. Explanation. Multiplying using the distributive property is a method that allows us to break down multiplication into simpler steps by distributing one factor across the sum or difference of the other factor. This property states that multiplying a number by a sum or difference can be done by multiplying the number by each term in the sum or difference separately and then adding or subtracting the results. It's a fundamental property in algebra and is useful for simplifying complex expressions. Breakdown. Here's a breakdown of how to multiply using the distributive property. 1. Identify the numbers. Begin by identifying the numbers you want to multiply. 2. Apply the distributive property. Distribute one factor across the sum or difference of the other factor. 3. Multiply and combine. Multiply each term by the distributed factor, and then combine the results by adding or subtracting. Example. Let's multiply 17 by 24 using the distributive property. 1. Start with the expression 17x 24. 2. Break down 24 into the sum of its digits. 24 equals 20 plus 4. 3. Apply the distributive property. 17x 24 equals 17x, 20 plus 4. 4. Distribute 17 across the sum. 17x 20 plus 17x 4. 5. Multiply each term separately. 17x 20 equals 340. 17x 4 equals 68. 6. Combine the results. 340 plus 68 equals 408. So, 17x 24 equals 408. Question answer. Q. What is the distributive property? A. The distributive property states that multiplying a number by a sum or difference can be done by multiplying the number by each term in the sum or difference separately and then adding or subtracting the results. Q. How do you apply the distributive property in multiplication? A. To apply the distributive property, you distribute one factor across the sum or difference of the other factor and then multiply and combine the results. Q. Why is the distributive property useful? A. The distributive property is useful because it allows us to simplify complex expressions and calculations by breaking them down into simpler steps. Q. Can the distributive property be used for other operations besides multiplication? A. Yes, the distributive property can also be applied to addition and subtraction, not just multiplication.